So here I am sweating because I have to clutch a 2v1. I take 10 damage to Storm. Fall. I knocked that kid, so I get a little bit more confident, but I get full beamed by his teammate. Now I'm shivering in my boots because I'm at 13 HP. But that dude, I get a good shot on him. And now I'm just trying to box up. And I'm really surprised when he decides to fall. It's insane.